A very good morning to all little champs, all energetic students. Today I made a plan that I must share my experience of the very first day of the spoken center. I joined one of the spoken centers in Banswara in 2007 after passing class 12th from Rajki Uच्च Madhyamik Vidyalaya Bhimpur. I passed class 12th from that school with 68.92 percentage, and I had history, geography and Sanskrit. But in college, means after the guidance of teachers from my school, I was suggested to take English literature apart from means at the place of Sanskrit or any other subject. Then I decided not to take Sanskrit in college, and I took English literature, history and geography. And uh, because of the pressure and some suggestions from my teachers, I decided to join spoken center. So there were many, but I was told to join ABC, that is Alburani Center, that is still there in Banswara. So I joined in month of May 2007. So what happened on that day, that I'm going to share with you all. शायद मैंने आपको किसी और वीडियो में बताया भी होगा किस प्रकार मैंने मेहनत करके इंग्लिश सीखी है. तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ what happened on that day. As I also told that I used to go by jeep to the coaching center, means I used to get at 7:15, and then I would reach at 8:15, or the class time was 8:30 or sometime 8:45 or 9 o'clock. So very first day when I went there, as soon as I stopped, means I reached there, there were means the class would run on upstairs on the first floor, and there were stairs. I just went there. It was written in English. A sentence was written there. Believe in yourself is the first step to success. I read that sentence, but I didn't understand what is the meaning of that. Then I turned right. There was also one sentence written, I can do. I didn't know the meaning of both sentences. And then again turned little right, and it was written that please remove your shoes. My goodness, I didn't know the meaning of please remove your shoes. Now you can imagine how much I was weak in English. It's not fake, it's not lie. Alright? If you have faith in me, if you believe in me, you can do inquiry about me, how much I was weak. If you have any link, you can ask to the owner of the Alburani Center right now. The sir is no more, but ma'am is running that coaching right now. So I was the dull, I was the duffer of that coaching in that session 2007-8. Alright. Then I just, as soon as I came, or I stood at the main door of the office, another side I saw, I just moved a little left, and I saw that ma'am was taking class, and it was a senior most class. All were speaking in English. I got afraid. My goodness, oh my God, all are speaking in English. Then I just, another side, sir was taking class, and small students were speaking in English. I got afraid. Oh my God, I do not know anything else, and the people will laugh at me. The students will laugh at me. What to do? I decided not to join. I went downstairs. But I had fear of my father. Means my father is ex-army, and because of him, means I afraid from him. So I decided not to go home. But what to do now? I just went downstairs. There was one shop. I just stood there. Means I sat there. After half an hour, that person told me, the owner of that shop, the shopkeeper told me, oh, why are you sitting here, and who are you? And I said, I am this is this, and for this I am here. Then he said, oh, you can go, nobody will laugh at you. That I just told everything, that why am I not going there, right? Then I just again got confidence, and I went there. I entered to the office, but I didn't remove my shoes, right? I entered there, I sat there. After 20 minutes or 25 minutes, sir came, and then he asked me, and oh, what you are, what's your name, where do you live? I said that I am from a village Moyavasa, hardly 25 kilometers from here, and I just passed class 12 in 2006, and I would like to join this spoken course. I have an interest to learn English, but actually I do not know anything else. Then sir looked at me and said, oh, all right, didn't remove your shoes. प्लीज़ रिमूव योर शूज़ आउटसाइड, जूते निकालिए। ही स्पोकन हिंदी में, हिंदी में मुझे उन्होंने बात की, इंग्लिश में वो बिल्कुल नहीं बोले। और स्टार्ट में आप किसी भी कोचिंग सेंटर पर जाते हैं, इफ़ यू गो टू एनी स्पोकन सेंटर, आपको डायरेक्टली आपसे इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है तो आपसे इंग्लिश में क्यों बात करें, क्योंकि आप तो सीखने के लिए जा रहे हैं। सो I went outside, removed my shoes, then again entered. Then sir said that okay, 2600 is fees. आप सोच सकते हैं, उस 2007 के अंदर I paid 2600, ठीक है। Then I gave him and I joined at same day. और 2600 रुपये मेरे पापा ने मुझे दिए थे, I had in my pocket because I knew my father just had inquiry and he came to know that 2600 is a fees. Then what happened? My goodness, I cannot miss. Why should I let you know? I was too much weak. You know, I didn't know the difference between who are you and how are you. You can imagine. When after 1.5 months, I came to know the difference between who are you and how are you. Whenever a sir would ask me that who are you, I would say I'm fine. And at the place of how are you, Bhanu Pratap Singh. That much weak I was. Many students would laugh at me, girls were also there, they also used to laugh at that, but I totally ignored. But I was too much weak. I lost my confidence also meanwhile the class, but what, I had no option, because I was coming from my village to there. Every day I was going at 7:15. I would get jeep, लटक के जाना पड़ता था मुझे, there were no place, लटक के जाता था। बट जुनून था, आई हैड क्यूरियोसिटी, डिवोशन था कि मुझे सीखना है। सो आफ्टर 6 months after 2 months, yes, after 2 months I learned introduction, how to introduce yourself. That is the first course in any spoken center that I learned after 1.5 months or 2 months, I think 2 महीने मुझे बिल्कुल लग गए थे। अपना इंट्रोडक्शन के अंदर 4 वाक्य, मैं ये हूँ, मेरा नाम ये है, मैं इस गांव से, मेरी उम्र ये है और मैं ये करता हूँ, इन वाक्यों को सीखने में मुझे 1.5 से 2 महीने लग गए हैं। आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो। और वहाँ पे जो बच्चे जो सिटी में जो प्राइवेट स्कूल में और वहाँ पे जो थे वो अच्छी इंग्लिश में बात कर लेते थे, और मुझे 2 महीने तक ये चीज़ें खबर नहीं पड़ी। और आई कैन डू, वो जो सेंटेंस मैंने आपको बताया ना, आई कैन डू, जो कैन का मतलब है, वो मुझे 4 महीने के बाद पता लगा उस कैन का मतलब क्या होता है। उस कैन का यूज़ करना मैं 4 महीने बाद सीखा। तो 6 महीने तक मेरी स्थिति इतनी गंभीर रही, बहुत बच्चे क्लास के अंदर हंसते थे, बट आई डेंट लूज माई कॉन्फिडेंस। एंड देन आई वॉज टोल्ड टू प्रैक्टिस एट होम फॉर आवर्स एंड आवर्स। when I returned home back, I used return and back both. जब when I return from the coaching center, I would speak with my pets in English. अब देखो, मेरे साथ बकरियाँ भी थी, जानवर सब कुछ थे, मैं उनसे इंग्लिश में बात करता, बस देयर वर नोबडी इन माय होम। बट 6 महीने के बाद मैंने ये भी किया था कि मेरे जो दोनों सिस्टर है उनको भी मैंने वो कोर्स ज्वाइन करवा दिया था, और 2-3 दूसरे परिवार के दूसरे लोग थे उनको भी वो कोर्स ज्वाइन करवा दिया। देन एक बिल्कुल जुनून हो गया था हम सब के अंदर, बट आई डेंट लूज कॉन्फिडेंस। वो सब बीच में हार मान चुके थे, बट मैंने हार नहीं मानी, आई केप्ट गोइंग देयर। और 1 साल के अंदर मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं सीखा, कॉन्फिडेंस मेरा डेवलप हुआ, सब कुछ। मीन्स दुनिया में कोई भी चीज़ आपको इजीली नहीं मिलती है, मीन्स यू डू नॉट गेट एनीथिंग वेरी इजीली, यू हैव टू डू हार्ड वर्क, स्मार्ट वर्क, ऑलराइट। एंड इफ यू just worry about people that, oh my goodness, people are looking at me, they are laughing at me, ignore them, because they will lose your confidence. They are not at all happy with you. Once you get success, they will be, oh wow, okay, it happens, because it has happened with me. Right now, means nobody dare to laugh at me, because I am now government teacher, posted at Mahatma Gandhi Government School, Daryabad. So dear viewers, if you want to improve your English, watch my videos, and there are many videos on YouTube channel. I do not say that you watch only my videos, there are many people, great people are there, alright. So if you get confidence from my videos, then please do some wishes, pray to God, share my videos, like my videos, alright. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.